Polish Apes. To my delight, my grandfather's Polish newspaper had a comics page. Nancy, Blondie, Dick Tracy, they were all there. And they all spoke Polish, grimacing a little as if struggling with those clusters of consonants. The apes of Tarzana, always so philosophical, were there too, speaking in their adopted language at such length and with such conviction and erudition and sense of the tragic and morbidly ironic that their balloons ballooned and the poor creatures were pushed out of their panels by their own words, until all that remained of them was what they believed in.